In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to fix the WordPress error 400, also known as the HTTP 400 bad request error. This is a common client-side error that appears when the server cannot process your request due to invalid or malformed syntax. In WordPress, this can be caused by corrupted browser cache or cookies, incorrect URLs, problematic plugins or themes, or even issues with your htaccess file. The good news is that this error is usually easy to fix, and I'm going to walk you through it step by step. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more WordPress troubleshooting tutorials. Now, let's get started. First, let's quickly understand what the HTTP 400 bad request error means. When you try to access your WordPress site or your WP-admin dashboard and see this error, it means the server received your request but couldn't understand it properly. In many cases, the issue is coming from your browser rather than your hosting server. That's why the first fix is the simplest one. Step 1 is to clear your browser cache and cookies. Corrupted cached files or cookies are one of the most common causes of a 400 error. On Windows, you can press Ctrl+Shift+Delete. On a Mac, press Command+Shift+Delete. This will open the Clear Browsing Data window in most browsers. Make sure to select cookies and other site data and cached images and files. Then click Clear Data. After that, completely close your browser, reopen it, and try accessing your WordPress site again. If the error was caused by corrupted local data, it should now be resolved. If you're still seeing the 400 error, the next step is to deactivate your WordPress plugins. Sometimes a poorly coded or conflicting plugin can send invalid requests to the server. Log into your WordPress dashboard if you still have access. Go to Plugins, then Installed Plugins. Select all plugins and choose Deactivate from the Bulk Actions dropdown. Then click Apply. Now check your website again. If the error disappears, you know that one of your plugins was the problem. Reactivate them one by one, checking your site each time until the error returns. The last plugin you activated before the error reappeared is the one causing the issue. If you can't access your dashboard, you can deactivate plugins using FTP or your hosting file manager. Navigate to the WP-content folder and rename the plugins folder to something like plugins-old. This will automatically deactivate all plugins. Then test your site again. If the error is still not fixed, the next step is to check and reset your htaccess file. A corrupted htaccess file can easily trigger a 400 bad request error. Access your website files using FTP or your hosting file manager. In the root directory of your WordPress installation, locate the htaccess file. Rename it to something like htaccess-old. Then log back into your WordPress dashboard. Go to Settings, then Permalinks, and simply click Save Changes without modifying anything. This will generate a fresh, default htaccess file automatically. Now test your site again to see if the issue has been resolved. In most cases, one of these three methods will fix the WordPress error 400. Start with clearing your cache, then move on to plugin troubleshooting, and finally reset your htaccess file if needed. Taking these steps systematically will help you identify and eliminate the root cause quickly. And that's it. You've just learned how to fix the WordPress error 400 step by step. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more WordPress fixes, tips, and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.